Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the units in the booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we have to go into the profile menu, and then we have to scroll down, tap on settings, and here under units, under the device settings, we tap on units, and we can select either imperial or metric, and then that's going to be the measurement system that the app is going to use to show us how many square meters the apartment has that we are renting, or yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.